Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add baggage in Cebu Pacific as a guest. First, open the Cebu Pacific website and go to the Manage Booking section. Enter your booking reference, also known as PNR, and your last name exactly as it appears on your ticket. Then, click Retrieve Booking. This allows you to access your booking without needing to log in. Next, look for the section labeled Add Baggage, Manage Add-ons, or Customize Your Trip. Click or tap on this section to see the available baggage options for your flight. Choose a baggage weight allowance you want to add, such as 20 kilograms or 32 kilograms. If you travel with multiple passengers, you can repeat this process for each person. Depending on the limit, you can usually add more than one bag per passenger. Double-check your flight details, passenger names, and the added baggage weight to make sure everything is correct. Adding baggage online before your flight is usually cheaper than purchasing it at the airport. Proceed to payment using your credit or debit card or any other available payment method. After confirming your payment, you will receive a confirmation showing that added baggage allowance. It is best to add baggage before checking in to save on fees. Although it is possible to purchase baggage at the airport as a guest, it is usually more expensive. Keep in mind that the maximum weight per checked bag is generally 32 kilograms, and carry-on baggage is separate, usually limited to 7 kilograms plus one person item. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.